Alright, so I went through and tested some things. The scale of everything had to be adjusted. The world was scaled too large anyway. The larger the floating point value of object's world position, the less accurate it was going to be. So the inventory works. I had to rescale that. I can grab the weapon, put it in the intermediary slot, and then pop it in a slot, and now it's in my inventory. And it's been converted to data that can be pickled. And then I can bring the inventory back up, put it in the intermediary slot, and then put it in my hand. You can aim, fire, all that works. Drop it. And the vehicle script works. So we get some lag spikes that are pretty significant when tiles are added at the moment. Right now I'm screencasting, and this thing goes pretty fast, so it has to load a lot of tiles in and out. So the BP player patch with bidirectional communication looks like it's going to be around in about July or June. And this should allow me to load meshes in directly instead of having to add terrain tiles in and then libnew the mesh and deform the vertex height and set the vertex color and set the vertex normal all in one frame. We can just instead libload async from a block file, and it should be much faster because it shouldn't be as many operations, and I have to iterate across each vertex, and it's a 10 by 10 patch. So there's like a little bit of heavy iteration going on when we add each tile. So hopefully that'll be fixed by the BP player, but until then it's not that bad. I don't really get significant spikes, and almost all of the logic that's going to run the game is in there. Like right now, I can call up an inventory, close it. You can call up a pie menu. I don't know if I'm close enough to that to call the pie menu or not. There we go. Call up pie menus, and then when I click the pie menu, it actually calls a function, but the functions just pass at the moment, but it's slugged and ready to roll. So the actor has a GOP action strip, and any game object can add to that strip. And if the strip is current, if he has an act strip, then you can't control him. So what we'll have is, like, say you go to press a button, we can have the command press button popped under the act strip, and then his GOP will take over and animating pressing the button and toggle the property on the button and all that good stuff. And then return control to the actor once the action's popped. So that's it for today.